If I keep tearing up this piece of paper, will I really reach the smallest unit of it? We think it's the atom. We might also think the different subatomic particles, the proton, electron, and neutron. But no, that is not yet the smallest fundamental unit of it. Welcome to the world of quantum mechanics, the realm of fundamental particles. 5th century before Christ, Democritus, a philosopher, proposed the idea that tiny unbreakable particles, known as atoms, make up all matter, including space and time. But with the fast advancement of science and with the aid of technology, many experiments were conducted and there were many schools of knowledge was debunked. The smallest building units of the universe are called fundamental particles. One of the main features of fundamental particles is the absence of interior structure. There are several methods for classifying fundamental particles. All particles are initially classified into fermions and bosons, which obey the Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statistics respectively. Fermions have a half-integer spin, while bosons have an integer spin. Every fundamental fermion has a spin of 1/2. Two most basic types of particles are leptons and quarks. 3 generations of matter are represented by the 6 flavors of quarks and leptons. Quarks have electric charge that are measured in 1/3 or 2/3. Quarks are tiny particles that reside inside protons and neutrons. There are 6 different types of quarks: the up, down, odd, charm, bottom, and top. Protons are made of 2 up quarks and 1 down quark, while neutrons are made of 2 down quark and 1 up quark. Since leptons do not seem to be composed of smaller particles, they are categorized as fundamental particles. Leptons have 2 possible states: neutral or carrying 1 electric charge. There are charged leptons together with muons and taus. Now, let us have a review on what we have discussed. What are fundamental particles? Fundamental particles, commonly referred as elementary particles, are the tiniest building blocks of the universe. A distinguishing characteristic of fundamental particles is their lack of interior structure. They do not incorporate any additional resources, to put it another.